Happy Saturday, guys!
Hello!
Hi, we are just out for a little trip because it's been a while, and we've been spending quite some time away from the dogs because we've been busy working on Maya's patio. So today we decided to come here to, Topolovgrad in this region, and we're going to go see the waterfall. I will link the name of the waterfall down below, and hopefully just discover some nice trails, right? Yeah.
We already had a very close encounter with a deer on the path up.
Yeah.
Whew!
That
I was inches away from the car. Just jumped.
Yeah, it was a good wake up call. So, but a beautiful drive up. There was nobody on the roads. It's just windy roads through the woods, and yeah, very excited to see what we got here. So let's do it.
I don't want to even tell you where it is because it's so beautiful and we don't want to share.
Yeah, but last time the battery ran out of the camera, so we hope to have enough battery today to show you how beautiful it is. It is a little bit more chilly.
But I want to go for a dip anyway.
Yes, she is, no matter how cold it is or what the weather is going to do. Franzi has a bikini on underneath, and she is going to go in. So that's going to be exciting.
And cold.
So let's hope that the weather warms up a bit. Blue skies, but we are feeling a little bit of drizzle. And back there, not looking so great. Neither of us are really prepared for any kind of...
take my clothes off and embrace it, walk in my bikini if need be. But I don't have any big plastic bag to keep my dry clothes dry.
Or the camera, for that matter. See how the road is like all washed out from the monsoons over the past month. Normally you could drive down here, not in our little Mazda, but once I have my 4x4 all set up, we'll be coming down here. So from here to here, we're almost at the waterfall. Almost. About a 3.5, 4K walk. It's a steep one. So we made it down.
No idea how to make it back up, but that's not a problem for now.
Exactly. Franzi will be wet anyway. The entrance to the waterfall is in there. So that's where we're going. Yeah. So we're here at the waterfall. Psych. I just let the dogs drink a little bit first.
Now here, possibly one for the Phil collection. Oh, for the mushy, you're so cute.
Franzi!
Scared.
Good luck. Good luck. You're gonna have fun. Just don't die. Okay, so this is one of the most amazing walks I've ever been on. It's just... it's a shame that my battery is empty, because it just keeps going. But we'll be back.
I will be back a lot in summer because I'll be swimming in them pools.
Yes, this is called the Kazankite Waterfall. So yes, we'll be back definitely in the summertime. We are kind of hoping that it will not be super busy here. It's about a 4K trek down from the, well, parking lot. There's no parking lot. Just some gravel. And you can really have a nice dip here. There's like little baths, like pools everywhere. So the water is so clear. It is such a beautiful day. It is totally magical here. So thank you for joining us. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Can't believe she did it, eh? Oh. I can't do this.
Oh, yes you can.
Huh?
Yes you can. But take off your pants because otherwise they'll be wet. Your pants. Yeah, but your pants will also be wet.
I'm not going skinny dipping. It's something else. I don't think I can do this.
Dunk that chunk! Dunk that chunk! No, you don't have to. Don't worry. I'll go for another dip for both of us.
I'm doing it.
He's doing it.
Okay, here goes nothing. What a birthday! Bulgaria is just so stunning. There's no words. How does nobody know how beautiful this country is?
Whoopsie.
So much treasure.